nutrition? Nutrition is nothing but nutrients present in the food. So we are gonna talk only about the nutrients present in the food? No. How the nutrients are processed in the body, how it is ingested, how it is absorbed in the body, and how it is affecting related directly to the health of the body. So all this, discussing about all the process, we call it as nutrition science. That's why we covered anatomy and physiology as a part in nutrition when we come across all these process, how it is directly related to the health of the body. So that is all your nutrition science.
Bodhi Online is available in the Play Store. Please go and download it. You can access 5 days pranayama course for free. Absolutely, you heard it right, it is free. So please go and download Bodhi Online app and start strengthening your mind and body to fight against the COVID virus.